Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your software development firm business. For example, you have a software development firm business and you got many queries from your users at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an AI assistant that will respond to your users instantly. In where at first we will create an AI agent. After that, whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your AI assistant will respond to them automatically instantly. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an AI assistant for your software development firm, let me give you a quick review about how this assistant will respond to your users instantly. By sending any message in my WhatsApp business account of AI assistant for software development firm, here I am sending a message that I need help. Here I send it. Then you can see this AI assistant will respond to me that I am here to help. Please let me know what you need assistant with and I'll do my best to support you. So here I am asking one question, that is, do you develop mobile apps? Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that yes, we develop mobile apps. Now I am writing one more query, that is, what technologies do you work with? Then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me all the modern technology they are working with. Here I am asking one another question. Here I write it, that is, what is your pricing model? Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that our pricing model depends on your specific requirement. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated AI assistant for your software development firm, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am clicking in this AI assistant option. This is the page where you can create your AI assistant for your different type of businesses. You can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new AI assistant, for that I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. Now I am writing the name of the AI assistant that I am going to create, that is AI assistant for your software development firm. After that, you have to click on this add AI assistant. Here you can see this is the starting page of creating AI assistant. For that, I am selecting the instruction type as AI agent. Here it will provide you automatically instructions. The temperature represents that how creative the AI answers are. You can also increase this as well as decrease this. I'll set this as 0.5. Now I am selecting the AI model, that is OpenAI. Here you can see it will provide you many types of model, that is GPT 4.1, O4 mini, O3, GPT 4o or GPT 4o mini and GPT 3.5 turbo. I am selecting this GPT 4o mini. After that, you can see it will ask you for the API token that you can generate from your OpenAI API key page. Here you can see one instruction message also there, that is OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So here I am entering the API key that I have generated from my OpenAI account. Here I paste it. After that, I am clicking on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me one message, that is OpenAI key saved successfully. After that, you can see it will provide you the settings of AI assistant. You can set it according to your choice. Here I am enabling this fallback message, as whenever my AI assistant will not know the answer of my users, then it will respond to them with this fallback message. Now the next one is the knowledge source. If you can click on this, then you can see it will ask you one knowledge source file that you have to create in plain text format and drag this file here. Here you can see I already created one knowledge source for my software development firm. After that, I am going to click on this file option and download this file in the plain text format. Here you can see the file is downloaded. Now I am click on this file and drag this file here. You can see it is uploaded. Now after that, the next one is the AI assistant interface, where you can write the header of your AI assistant, that on what purpose you are creating your assistant. As we are creating AI assistant for software development firm, so here I am providing the name. Here I provided. Now in this display header subheading name, I'll say that we are online and happy to assist you. The initial message I'll write as hi there, how can I help you today? I enable this display, that is the written here powered by Pabbly. You can also disable this if you want to. After that, in this footer text, I have write this privacy and policy. You can also write any text you want to. After that, I also write one footer link. In this also you can add yours. The user first message I write as I need help. Now the last one is the styling. If you want to change the style of this message, then you can change this from here. After that, you have to enable this option and click on the save AI assistant button. You can see it will respond to you like this, that AI assistant saved successfully. It will provide you one message example also. This AI assistant will respond to your users within a second like this. It is only possible with the help of this feature AI assistant, which are present in the Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.